Hi friends, let's make the one cooker curry chawal, and once you make it you will love it. In a cooker, add oil. Once oil is hot, add some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Here I added the jeera as well, cumin seed I mean. Here I added the garlic and chili paste. Mix well, and now it's time for curry. So here I'm adding the batter which I made already. In a buttermilk I added some basic masala. Here once you get the one boil, you can add the rice which you soaked before 10 minutes. I washed the rice 2 to 3 times and then I added the rice in a kadhi.
ये कैसी शर्ट पहनते हो? ये कैसे बाल कटाते हो? गाड़ी तेज चलाते हो? तुम जल्दी में क्यों खाते हो? Give me a break. तुम्हें बदलने को पास वो आती है, तुम्हें मिटाने को चाल बिछाती है, बातों बातों में तुम्हें फंसाती है,
Now well, add the water as you require.
फिर बड़ा रुलाती है,
And here I thought that I added salt less, so I added the salt as well.
क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती.
And once you get another one boil, you can close your cooker and wait for a three
whistle.
and now garnish with some coriander leaves.